Right, so I'm going to do up one of these paper bags today. Okay, I've already put the tags in. Okay, that was book pages I done from the 100-day challenge. Okay, that I printed on them. Okay, yeah, put them through the printer, and there's just, that was a plain one actually, that's a book page. Okay, and they look great. So some of these I've gone through twice. Okay, put something in the background and then I went over the top again. That was just one print on that one. This one has got something in the background and then I print over the top. So that was, so yeah, check out the 100-day challenge. There's loads of videos on like book pages, doing up book pages and stuff. So I just made them into tool tag. These will be stitched around as well. So they're going to go in here. So need to do something with the bags. So I thought I'd use some handmade paper. Let's have a look. So that one's going to go there. Right, I'm going to stick that down. Just casually. And I can just stitch there. Made a hole there. That doesn't matter. That can go there. And the other one will be that way in the book, won't it? So let's see what we got left of that. And that will go there. These aren't pockets, so they're just a bit of decoration, but you can have a pocket there if you wanted. But all right, these are left over from cutting the tags, which I thought was quite nice actually. I'm going to stick that down. Okay, need a bit of an embellishment there, but I shall leave that for a minute. I don't know what that was. It's a little bit thick. I'm going to put that there for a minute. So I think I might either put a butterfly or something. I'm going to go there. So I use those up. And a butterfly. See what we've got here. Slightly smaller, this one, so I'm going to use this one. These are just sandwich bags, you know, the ones that you get. I got these from the wholesalers a few years ago. Haven't used them for ages. I used to use them in all my journals, funnily enough. Go. That's that. And then Right, what we got here left? Very samey, but I need to put that over out the way. Oh, this is quite nice. A bit of that. And let's have a look in our tray. Oh, straight away. But then change that. It has to be something like that. Oh, gosh, there was these as well, look. Oh, I might put that there. Endless things, isn't it? Yep. I'll keep the bird. Right, okay, let me get rid of this first. Sounds good, doesn't it? You know what I mean. Put that down first. Don't know what side to use. Both nice. That one's got the date on it, and that one's got a nice signature. I will ink over that in a minute. It's just that it's a little bit wet still, so just going lightly scratch over the surface. And then, oh, I was going to put that there on nice. I still need something. Just to go behind that. You lose it a bit. I'm going to stay with that today. I think that looks quite nice. So, oh gosh, that's the original ticket there. Okay, that's good. And then this side, I don't know whether to put just a little belly band or something across that we could maybe tuck something in. Yeah. So I'll just back that with a book page, because that's any thin paper. Any book page really will do. Let's see what we got. I cut mine in half. I don't have it going across there, so that's extra bulk and the signature then. Okay, I will stitch mine on, ink them up and stitch them on, and then that can be just a little tuck spot, can't it, on the inside of the page. Yeah, just so you can maybe do a little tag or something like that. Okay, right, I've got to glue that down now. Okay, right, so I shall back those, stitch around them, do what I normally do, and then come back to you. Okay, and just stitch down here and there as well. All right, but removing those because I'll stitch them in. Right, and here we go. It's all done. Okay, except for the bit at the top there, some fibers or something, not sure yet, so I'm going to leave that go. All right, but oh no, I didn't ink round either. Right, that's all stitched around and backed, and they go in there. Okay, and that's where it's going in the journal there. So I like it because I've got some bits sticking out the top, so that's brilliant. Okay, yeah, we're getting quite full now, I must say. So that time, I'll tell you what I'm going to do next is most probably, I might make a tag out of that. Sorry, I'm going to leave that in there. Most probably do some stamping, okay, and then grunge up the edges of the pages, and then we'll go from there. But I am actually in a minute going to make a tag from that. Okay, well, that's today's video. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll speak to you very soon. Bye.